Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Crypto exchange Deribit loses $28 million in a hot wallet hack. FTX executive contributed $500,000 to the Democratic Party of Oregon. Soland attacked by USDH Oracle leads to $1.26 million of bad debt. South African supermarket chain Pick n Pay will allow users to pay with Bitcoin. Era creates Treasury optimizing vaults for Dows on Polygon. Now let's dive into the details. Crypto exchange Deribit loses $28 million in hot wallet hack. Deribit, the largest Bitcoin options exchange by market share, was hacked and lost $28 million. Withdrawals were likewise blocked by the corporation. The company stated that it is doing regular security tests and has blocked withdrawals, including those from third-party custodians, Copper, Clearloop, and Kobo, until the platform is certainly safe to reopen. According to the company, the hacked hot wallets held assets in Bitcoin, Ether, and USDC. Its cold storage addresses, which housed 99% of customer funds, were unaffected. FTX executive contributed $500,000 to the Democratic Party of Oregon. According to local media, the Oregon Democrats first informed state election authorities that the $500,000 gift came from Prime Trust, a Nevada-based crypto-focused fintech. However, the party director stated on November 1st that the genuine payment source was FTX engineering director Nishad Singh, who has been the state Democrat Party's fourth highest donor since November 2020. In a statement, State Party Executive Director Brad Martin told Oregon Live that the party reasonably assumed this gift was, in fact, the Prime Trust LLC based on documents obtained from their bank in October. Soland attacked by USDH Oracle leads to $1.26 million in bad debt. In the announcement a few hours ago of the Solana lending protocol, Soland announced that experiencing an Oracle attack took place with USDH that affected the stable Coin98 and Camino pools, resulting in bad debt of $1.26 million. USDH is a stablecoin developed by Hubble Protocol. This is a stablecoin with the same structure as DAI, allowing users to mortgage assets such as Sol, BTC, ETH, and more, and from there make loans in the form of USDH. Currently, HUSD still maintains a stable peg against the USD. South African supermarket chain Pick n Pay will allow users to pay with Bitcoin. Pick n Pay intends to roll out its cryptocurrency payment service to its stores nationally in the next months, according to South African-based digital news site Tech Central, following years of experimenting in select locations. Customers can pay for things at the shop using cryptocurrencies via trusted apps on their cell phones or by simply scanning a QR code and accepting the Rand conversion rate at the moment of payment. Era creates Treasury optimizing vaults for Dows on Polygon. Era, the world's first autonomous treasury management protocol, has announced that their DAO Treasury optimization vaults are now exclusively available on Polygon. The protocol enables DAOs to shift responsibility for treasury asset optimization to a decentralized network of participants incentivized to optimize DAO goals by offering an autonomous treasury management protocol. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.